Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see a waterfall in Solan.
You are the violence pulling me down. You are the silence that makes me drown. My head is not a good place to be. The past keeps following me.
Now we are going toward Mohan Shakti Park. Then the waterfall will arrive.
You are the violence pulling me down. You are the silence that makes me drown. My head.
This is the gate of Mohan Shakti Park, but due to COVID it is closed. This is the point where we are going to start hiking to reach the waterfall. The bridge is here over Khadd. This was a tricky part, so I got help from my mom.
Go.
Wait.
Good job. Yeah. Go. Next one. Hey, don't get inside the water, beta. Go. Now go. Yeah, next one. Very good job. Go. Oh! बच गए. पापा आगे.
It's okay if you fall. You just have to keep walking until you'll reach your destination. See, that's it.
आराम से.
You should not throw garbage too. Put them in the dustbin. And if you cannot see the dustbin, just keep it in your car, then put it in your house's dust. I'm enjoying the waterfall now. See you during the next video. Subscribe and like. Bye.